The High Court finally gave nod to hold SSC examinations. The government can now go ahead to hold SSC examinations as per schedule. The exams will begin from Thursday. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said arrangements have been made for the students to answer the papers in a stress-free environment.
The matter of conducting SSC exams during the lockdown was pending in the High Court. Some parent-teachers associations had approached the court asking it to postpone the exams. The High Court in its order gave green signal to conduct the exams. The Chief Minister said the students from neighbouring states appearing for Goa board exams will answer the papers in their nearby centres. There is no need for them to come to Goa to answer the exams. Advocate General gave details of the hearing.
Permitted the government to complete, conduct and effectively hold the exam for standard 10th and 12th on the basis of the letter of the Ministry of Home Affairs, whereby the Honorable High Court has now cleared the way for successfully completing the SSC examination, and there is no legal impediment in now holding the examination. And the stand of the government that it is right and it is proper for the benefit and for the students community to hold these exams at this stage has been vindicated by today's order of the High Court, and High Court has disposed of the petitions without granting any relief to them. Our understanding is that it does not mention anything over the examination. At no point of time or at no place in that order examination of any sort is prohibited, and that is our interpretation of that order, and on the basis of that we had proceeded to hold this examination. Now, insofar as neighbouring students from the neighbouring states are concerned, we have told the High Court that we have made arrangements for these students in their respective states, and there are 4 sub-centers in Maharashtra and 2 sub-centers in Karnataka, which will be holding these exams for these students which are out of state, and that no teacher or no personnel from Goa will have to go there. The teachers and personnel from that states will hold these exams. We had not asked for any special permission, but we had only requested that we are holding this examination, so please permit us to hold. And the MHA has passed an order saying that it is permitted. The key arrangements which the government has made are there will be approximately 12 to 13 students in each class. There will be a proper safe distance kept between 2 students. Then there will be proper sanitization facilities, the classes and all the infrastructure there in the sub-centers would be provided with proper sanitization facilities. Toilets etc. will be sanitized properly in all schools in the interest of the students.
कोर्टान दिल्ल्या त्याच्या निकालाचो आदर करता आणि 10वीच्या भुरग्यांचे मानसीक ताण ज्या ताणा सकयल भुरगीं वयतालीं तांचे पेरेंट्स तांकां इतको टेन्शन आशिल्लें, म्हाका दिसता कोर्टान ह्या सगळ्या गोश्टीचो कन्सिडर करून आनी खास करून MHAनूय बी आमकां ही परीक्षा घेवपा खातीर परमीट केली, कारण गोंयांत आयिल्ले सगळे पेशंट हे इम्पोर्टेड पेशंट आशिल्ले, हांगासरलो कोण ना, हांगा कम्युनिटी ट्रान्समिशन ना, आनी गोवा बोर्डान ठरयल्या प्रमाणे ती परीक्षा घेवपाची जशें महाराष्ट्रान आनी कर्नाटकान हे ठरयलां, कारण परीक्षे कडेन तरी कोणी राजकारण करपाक जायना आसलें. म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रान सेंटर केला, कर्नाटकान सेंटर केला, हाचो विचार करपाक जाय आसलो. ईच एंड एवरीथींग जितकी प्रिकॉशन घेवपाक जाय जाल्यार कोणी आनीक कितें प्रिकॉशन घेवपाक जाय ती सजेस्ट करची.
Former headmistress and Kottalim MLA Alina Saldana has favoured government's decision to hold SSC exams.
I think more than 2,000 classrooms are prepared for these students. So every precaution is being taken. These exams students have to answer. We don't know what the future holds. Right now, all precautions are in place. Let the exams happen, because children have studied, they are prepared now. How many times can we tell them, okay, you prepared now, sorry, you can't answer again? You know, it is causing a mental turmoil for the students also. Let them answer and get over with it.
Amar Chavriya and Irsha Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panaji.